I'm on the back looking at number 4, and the instructions say use the stem and leaf plot to answer the questions below. All right, so number 4 says the stem and leaf plot represents the energy efficiency rating of homes in a community. Okay, take a quick look at the key. 5 with a little bar and then a 5 means an energy score of 55. Okay. Oh, and while I'm thinking about it, let's go back. We did not make a key for our barbecue fundraiser, so let's do that real quickly. I'll just use the first set of data. 7 with a /8 means 78 participants. Okay, so let's get back to number 4. It says determine if the following statements are true or false. The range in energy scores is 26 points. Okay, remember that range is your largest value minus your smallest value. Your largest value is 8 with a 2, so that's 82, minus your smallest value, which is 55. Okay, I'm going to go over here and do a little math. 82 minus 55. 12 minus 5 is 7, and then 7 minus 5 is 2. The range is 26. Nope, that's false because the range is 27. A total of 13 homes were rated. Well, I don't know. We have 55, 56, 58, 59, 59. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 homes were rated. So that is also false. The median energy score is 66. Remember, median means your middle score. So I'm going to tick off highest and lowest. Here's highest, here's lowest. Next highest, next lowest. Next highest, next lowest, next highest, next lowest, next highest, next lowest. That leaves me with 2 numbers in the middle. And when I have 2 numbers in the middle, remember, I take their average. So 64 and 67 added together are going to give me 131. And then I take 131 and divide it by 2. 2 will go into 13 6 times. Bring down the 1. 2 will go into 11 5 times. Bring down a 0. And 2 will go into 10 5 times. So the median score is not 66, it is 65.5. So that is also false. The mode home rating was 59. Remember, mode means the number that occurs the most. Okay, so 55 occurs once, 56 occurs once, 58 occurs once, 59 occurs twice, and there are no other numbers that occur more than once, so the mode is indeed 59, so this is true. Okay. Complete the blanks below in order to make each statement true. The number of homes rated between 50 and 60 accounts for more than, okay, between 50 and 60, that's more than 50 but less than 60, and that's going to be these 5 homes. That's 5 out of 12 homes, and we can convert that into a percent. 5 divided by 12. 12 will not go into 5. 12 will go into 50 though. 12 times 4 is 48. Get a 2. Carry down a 0. 12 will go into 20 only once. Carry down another 0. 12 will go into 80. 12 times 6 is 72. So that's probably enough. 5/12, that's going to be about 42% of the homes. Okay. The number of homes rated greater than 70 accounts for about what? What percentage of the home? Greater than 70. So this is 70, so that doesn't count. They're asking for greater than 70. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 homes out of the 12. That's going to be 1/3 of the homes. And if you know what 1/3 is in percent form, 1 divided by 3 is going to give you 0.333333333, repeating. So this is 33% of the homes. Energy efficiency ratings of blank and blank account for less than 30% of the homes. Okay, so 4 out of 12 was 33%. Efficiency ratings of between 60 and 70, there were only 2 homes of 12, so that's going to be less than 30%. And between 80 and 90, there was only 1 of 12, so that is definitely going to be less than 30% also. All right. Going down here to number 5 so that we can finish up. The stem and leaf plot below shows the number of minutes that it took Ralphie to get to work during the month of March. Okay, remember 5 and then a bar and another 5 means 55 minutes. Okay, so 16 minutes, 16 minutes, 17 minutes, 23 minutes, 23 minutes, 23 minutes, 26 minutes, 26 minutes, 28 minutes, etc. 15% of the time, Ralphie was able to get to work in less than 20 minutes. Okay, less than 20 minutes is going to be just these 3, okay? So 3 of the data points out of, we need to know how many data points there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 data points. Okay, because I'm counting my different leaves. All right, 3 out of 20. 3 out of 20. If I multiply this times 5 and this times 5, then I get 3 times 5 is 15 out of 100. That is 15%, so that is true. More than 50% of the time, it took Ralph over 30 minutes to get to work. Okay, so let's look at any time it took him over 30 minutes. This is 30 minutes. That's not over 30 minutes. It's 30 minutes exactly. This is 30 minutes exactly, so don't count these 2. But I'm going to count these. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times out of 20. Again, times 5, times 5. That is 45 out of 100, and that's going to be 45%. More than 50% of the time it took Ralphie over 30 minutes? No, that is false. 45% of the time it took him over 30 minutes. On 6 occasions, Ralphie was able to get to work in less than 25 minutes. Okay, in less than 25 minutes. Well, if he makes it to work in 16 minutes, that's less than 25 minutes. That's less than 25 minutes. That's less than 25 minutes. 23 minutes is also less than 25 minutes. Okay, so 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. All right.